The advanced email management functionality is installed automatically with any CRM installation. The advanced email management service runs as a background process on the server. You'll find that this is a file called emailmanager.exe, and it processes inbound emails according to predefined business rules. The advanced email management functionality requires the completion of some setup tasks by the system administrator to enable its use. The email manager functionality can also be made available whether you use CRM's embedded email editor or another email client to handle the outbound mail. It is also available for forwarding information from inbound mails into your CRM system, and this is described in the documentation. A typical arrangement for the mail manager works like this. A customer sends an email to an account that is monitored by the mail manager, and this can either be a POP3 or MAPI account. The mail manager service picks up the message and processes it according to the rules held in a JavaScript file. This file is known as the template. The template is associated with the email account by settings defined in CRM. Have a look at the area Administration, Email and Documents, Email Management Server options. This area also allows the system administrator to fine-tune the way in which the message is processed. The code that is held in the template, and this could be one called support.js, can perform just about any data task within CRM. You can create and add any number of templates into the system. You have full access to any of the data handling objects within CRM and many of the process objects. You could, for example, have the inbound email be filed in CRM as a communication linked to a case. You could send an automatic email back to the customer, giving them the proof that their support issue has been received. That outbound email may have attachments, for example, an FAQ PDF. You could even ensure that when a customer sends another email quoting a reference number, then that email is correctly filed against the existing data. The API allows interaction with workflow and table-level scripts. The list of API objects that can be used in the Mail Manager is shown on the screen now. How you create a Mail Manager template is going to be covered in another lesson, and the documentation describes how you can set the Mail Manager up to test it with the existing default templates. There is only one Mail Manager service installed on a CRM server. You can find the installation directory underneath the hard drive installation, so that's C drive typically, Program Files, down underneath Program Files 86, Sage, CRM, Services, and then look to the emailmanager.exe. And you can find the registry details found underneath the HKey Local Machine System Current Control Set Services Email Manager. But really the Mail Manager picks up the information about which accounts to monitor and how to monitor them from the registry settings of the CRM installs themselves. Now, in a development environment, you may have multiple installs of CRM, but on a production environment, you should only have one install of CRM. And the install of the Mail Manager can easily get confused as to which instance of CRM within a development environment it is supposed to be serving. So to ensure that your Mail Manager is interacting with the correct CRM instance, then you'll need to go to the CRM registry entries and blank or set to null the EM login and EM password entries, except for the install of CRM you wish to use with the Mail Manager. You can find that under HKey Local Machine Software Eware Config CRM. Now, you also may find that the Mail Manager can run into problems with certain antivirus programs, so you'll need to register the Eware emailmanager.exe with your antivirus and your security software as being allowed to carry out email tasks. You may also need to consider changing the ports that it works with if port 25 SMTP is blocked by your software. So consider looking at how your email server and CRM can change ports to work with both POP3 and, which is port 111, or port 26 for SMTP.